days. I hope you get to see a little bit. I have an inner leg bursitis issue going on. I wore steel leg braces as a child, and every once in a while I'll do some repetitive something, but right now it's in the inner part of here. It hurts so bad, it just locks up. So I have to go so slow and take it easy until the inflammation's gone, and then try not to do so much so fast. I think this inner leg got hurt because I've had to spend hours every day pulling needles out, and I've had to hold my leg a certain way, and then I'll get up and go do things. And I think I just put too much stress holding my leg in that position for hours. I go through sections of stuff I work on. Isn't that horrible? And that's the best it's looked in 2 years. I changed the grain. This is the best it's been. All these dark spots are hundreds and hundreds of cactus needles that have come out. Every day it's better than the day before, but sadly, hours. I tried to figure it out probably just this last month, probably 60 to 80 hours, holding my leg in an upright type position. And as we get older, we need more lubrication in our joints. And even though I take a lot of olive oil and peptides and beef bovine, I don't know how bad. I know I'd be horrible without it. I was arthritically practically crippled, and then I came back to being quite mobile, as you've seen in my videos, if you've seen any. Anyway, so I praise God I'm able to get up and move. The 91-year-old lady yesterday, my God, her heart is so huge, and she's so thin and frail. This has been going on for 3 days, so I'm just going to work on taking needles out of my upper arms and here, but these have hurt so bad that I've needed to really work on them. Anyway, we all have things that we deal with, and then those things can cause other things. Anyway, enjoy the birds. I hope you get to see something for sure. Oh, I have one more area there to fill up with here. turn a certain way, this would glitch. The tendon running from my left hip through the pelvic area. I also did some massive stretches, which I probably, knowing now, I shouldn't have. I did some minor lower knee and leg and ankle stretches and some hip bends just to bring in warmth and lubrication to my tendons. See what you guys are looking at. Okay, you're at 6 minutes. Let's cut here and see if I can get some sunset.